You're eating right, you're working out, but why the heck does weight loss still feel so hard? If you feel like no matter what you do, you're still moving at a snail's pace towards your goal weight. You might even feel like you're losing and gaining the same couple of pounds, and you're on this little hamster wheel. You're in this cycle and you just want more results. You want better results. You want faster results. If you're feeling like that, good, because I'm about to break down exactly why you're feeling like that and how to fix it in today's video. And before you think, maybe I need more willpower, maybe I need a new diet, maybe I need to try the latest trend, you don't. Trust me, that is not your issue. So let's talk about why weight loss feels so hard. If weight loss is feeling difficult for you right now, or that other people have cracked the code and you can't seem to figure it out, that just means that your brain is wired for weight loss to be a struggle. Your subconscious belief system believes that in order to get weight loss, you need to struggle. So if we believe that, that's exactly what we will get in our 3D reality. And it all stems from how we grew up. You grew up believing weight loss had to be a struggle. This could be from your family, your parents, your siblings, your friends. It could also be from how we grew up with diet culture in our society. But inside you, there's a subconscious belief that says, I have to suffer if I want to reach my weight loss goals. And as long as you believe that weight loss has to be hard, your body and your mind will make it hard. You'll keep repeating that same cycle over and over and over again. Have you ever noticed that some people just seem to put their mind to it and they lose weight and it's effortless while you're over here overthinking everything? It has nothing to do with genetics. It has everything to do with their belief system. And I can speak on this because that's exactly how I grew up. I grew up with the mentality that weight loss had to be hard, weight loss had to be a struggle. There was no way that I could eat good food and also lose weight, maintain my weight. It always felt like I was gonna be chubby. That's what I thought in my head when I was growing up. I was always like the chubby kid, always had extra fat. I was always like obsessing over what size jeans I was wearing as early as like 6th and 7th grade. And then fast forward to my early 20s, everyone was stick thin. Everyone was tiny as far as celebrities and what you were seeing in society. So of course that told me, my curvy self, that I was wrong. But I'm telling you, the weight loss struggle ended for me once I took those beliefs and I changed them. Weight loss doesn't have to be hard. I no longer believe that. I firmly believe that weight loss can be easy. And weight loss is easy. I lost 65 pounds almost 4 years ago after the birth of my second baby, and I'm still maintaining that weight loss effortlessly. And coming from someone who was a chronic yo-yo dieter for years, being where I'm at now, it's like I've completely transformed and changed into a new person. But in reality, all I've done is reframed those subconscious beliefs. Up next, we're gonna talk about the mindset shift that changes everything for you and what changed for me. But first, we're going to chat about today's video sponsor, Element Electrolytes. I noticed a huge difference after I started incorporating Element into my days. Not only has my brain fog in the afternoon disappeared, I no longer have the fears that my mom fog in the afternoons was going to stick around for the rest of my life. It turns out I just needed to boost up my electrolytes. And now that I've been weight training for over a year, I know that Element and replenishing my electrolytes has helped with my recovery as well. Element is an electrolyte drink mix that comes in either cans or easy on-the-go packets. They come in a variety of flavors. Every single flavor is phenomenal. They've got the perfect balance of magnesium, potassium, and sodium to keep you fully hydrated. And they're great for paleo lifestyle, vegan lifestyle, if you are gluten-free, or if you happen to be low carb just like me. Balancing your electrolytes will definitely change the game for you. I got rid of nasty headaches. I got rid of Charlie horses in the middle of the night. And like I said, I got rid of that afternoon brain fog. And I'm so excited to be offering today a free sample pack with your next order, whether you've ordered from them before or if you're a brand new customer. Make sure you use my code every single time. You're gonna wanna go to drinkelement.com/heart. So that's drinkelement.com/heart, H-A-R-T. Grab your free sample pack, and thank you to Element for sponsoring today's video. So let's talk about that mindset shift that will change everything. Weight loss will get easier, I promise you, when you change your identity. Because if you identify as somebody who struggles with any particular thing, you will struggle. If you identify as, I have a really hard time losing weight, you're affirming that. Therefore, you will have a very hard time losing weight. If you shift over to, I'm someone who loses weight easily and keeps it off, your body will naturally follow that belief. And I know this might sound crazy and out there if you have never done belief and mindset work, but trust me when I say, if you've exhausted all of your other potential ways to lose weight quickly and easily and enjoyably, and nothing's worked, and you haven't done the mindset work, here's your sign. This is what you need. Your brain will always look for proof for what it already believes. It wants to reinforce your beliefs and your thoughts. Again, if you believe that weight loss has to be a struggle, your brain will try to prove that. If you start believing that weight loss can be easy and you maintain your weight loss easily, your brain will try to prove that. If your brain believes weight loss is hard, it will sabotage your progress because it has to follow what you actually believe. Not what you want, weight loss, what you believe weight loss is hard. So here's your homework for this portion of the video. What stories have you been telling yourself about weight loss? And I even challenge you to grab your journal and free write on this topic. What stories have you been telling? When someone asks you, how's your weight loss journey going? What's your instinct to say? It sucks. It's not going good at all. It's going so slow. There's your answer, which is great because this is something you can fix. So then how can we put this into action? How can we actually rewire our brain for progress? How can we rewire our brain to make weight loss be and feel easy? You have to first become aware of the beliefs that are actually holding you back, the beliefs that are keeping you stuck. And this might not happen all in one day. You might have to sit with this thought and let the thoughts eventually come into your brain. I promise they will. And then once you become aware of them, then you have to challenge them. Is that really how I want my life to be? Ooh, I really believe weight loss is a struggle. Is that actually what I want? Do I really want weight loss to be a struggle? Challenge those thoughts because those thoughts have never been challenged. You've been thinking those thoughts since you were a little kid. And we've just been giving those thoughts energy and reinforcing them. And then when in our 3D reality, weight loss is a struggle and weight loss is hard, we say, yeah, see, I told you. But we're just giving that thought more energy. Instead, we have to challenge it. Is that what I really want though? Is that what I really want to believe? Because remember, weight loss being hard for you is not a fact. It's just a belief. Dumb it down. It's just a belief. And if it's just a belief, you know you can change your beliefs at any time. Acknowledge them, challenge them, and then you rewrite. How do we really want to think about weight loss? How do we want our weight loss journey to go? Start thinking about that. And if you see other people and you get inspired by their journeys, say, how are they doing it that I want that too? Well, they meal plan really easily. Weight loss is simple for them. Even though they've got a hectic job, they still seem to get it all done. They make it feel easy. I want weight loss to feel easy. And then you're going to want to embody your goal weight self. I've been saying this in almost every video because this has been the key that's taken my clients from yo-yo dieting, plateauing, to effortlessly getting to their goal weights. And it's embodying your goal weight self. You can't keep walking around saying, I hate the fact that I'm 200 pounds. I used to walk circles around this island that you're sitting on at 192 pounds saying, I'm 133 pounds. I'm 133 pounds. And you guys, I'm standing here maintaining for 4 years in the 130s effortlessly. Better and better each day, if I'm going to be completely honest. And the maintenance journey has been the easiest, but the key is embodying your goal weight self. Ignoring your 3D reality, which I know sometimes is hard because you have to think about food. You have to think about what you're going to wear, and then you have to look in the mirror and make sure it looks okay. You have to acknowledge yourself, maybe putting on makeup or putting on your contacts, and you're looking in the mirror, you're seeing your 3D reality, and it might not be something that you want to see. That's when we need to get delusional. And that's when you need to embody your goal weight self, regardless of what you see in your 3D reality. Your body will always follow your mind. That's why the mindset work is literally the bridge that will take you from where you're at to your goal weight self. Once you shift how you see yourself, your body has no choice but to change along with your mindset. So if this is resonating with you, if you are just feeling that mindset work is the next step for you, and you would love a blueprint to help you not only acknowledge the blocks, clear them effortlessly, rewrite your story, and quantum leap to your goal weight. My online course, Less Weight, Better Life, is for you. I have lifetime access available to you right now. The link is down below in the description box. Check it out. Sign up today. This is going to be the A to Z blueprint that is going to take you, like I said, directly to your goal weight and then on to maintain. The biggest difference between how I like to mentor clients and how other people are doing it is I am heavily focused on you losing your weight as efficiently as possible, clearing the blocks that are keeping you stagnant right now, and quite literally enhancing your entire life so that you can lose your weight and then go on to maintain and have that maintenance mindset. Be embodying your goal weight self because you are your goal weight self, merging the two of you guys together so that you become that future version of yourself as quickly as possible. It's no surprise that clients get to their goal weight quickly when they work with me because that's my mission. I don't want you to lose 5 pounds and then be like, well, how do I maintain this? Or do something really dodgy like strict calorie restriction and over exercising. Like, no, we know that doesn't work. I want this to be easy and fulfilling for you. I want to enhance your life. Hence the title, Less Weight, Better Life. So comment down below, what was your biggest takeaway from this video? Don't forget to check the description box for my course and element, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
You told me you believe in something and you said you're done pretending.